Ready to build a killer progressive house drum beat that'll get any dance floor moving, all inside Helium X. Let's dive right in. First, open Helium X and create a new project. Load up a drum rack. This is where our beat will come to life. A fresh start allows you to build each element with intention. Let's start with the foundation, the kick. Load a punchy kick sample, adjust the pitch for the right subbass feel, add a touch of distortion for extra weight, and sculpt the decay for the perfect boom. Now, for the clap and snare, don't just settle for one sound. Layer 2 or 3 samples, slightly offset their timing to create a wider, more dynamic hit. This is where your beat gets its character. Hi-hats are key to the rhythm. Program a simple 16th note pattern. Vary the velocity of each hit to add groove and subtly pan them left and right to create movement in the stereo field. Next, add a ride cymbal pattern. Emphasize the offbeats to complement the main rhythm. Experiment with different patterns to add complexity and texture. Sprinkle in some percussion elements like shakers and tambourines. Use filters and effects to sculpt them into the background, adding atmosphere and interest without overpowering the main beat. Finally, head over to the master channel, apply some compression to glue everything together, and use EQ to polish the overall sound. Remember, less is often more. And there you have it, a professional sound progressive house drum beat, crafted entirely in Helium X. Now, go create something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Helium X tutorials.